In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the ear tips of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Now, during the unboxing process of the Galaxy Buds 4, you should have seen additional ear tip sizes that you can use, whether they're big or small, according to your preferences. If you have other alternatives you'd prefer to use, you can always go ahead and grab those. Now, from here, to remove your silicone ear tip, just unfurl it like so. Then you want to pinch and pull. So pinch, pull, like so. You can see it's been successfully detached, so you can do the same thing on the other end. Unfurl, pinch, and pull. Now, you can choose to grab your other ear tips, or you can just finish cleaning off the ones that you're currently using, and then this is how you're going to return them. So you're going to grab the ear tip, and you're going to just insert your finger inside of that furled tip, like so. And then you're going to hover it over the section or the place where it's supposed to be put, and you're just going to push in until you hear a clicking sound. Then you can refurl the ear tip like so. Do the same thing on the other end. Just place it in the position, push in, and then refurl. And like by doing so, you'll have successfully reconnected and changed the ear tips of your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.